Amazing results. This has saved 15 hours of labor compared to cleaning that same assembly unit right there. Took 16 hours to clean. This, slightly over an hour. Was actually better results overall. The paint looks fresh and new. Looks like it rolled out of the showroom. It's a little steamy. It's hard to tell compared before and after.
Oh yeah. Now I got up in there and kind of cleaned it.
Yeah, I tried that too on my side. Well, yeah, I mean, they certainly could do that if they know how. Before they wash this, they could take these panels off, put them along the wall. You could, that's what I was saying.
Here, and you have, yeah.
You have just as much time blowing them off as you wash them.
Yeah, right.
I mean, cause they're just got that chaff gets in there everywhere.
Well, I have another idea for the baiters, and that was, we have a high volume rinse system where when you're spraying it off at 4, 5, or 6 gallons a minute, it's kind of.
Yeah.
But this one would be like a 500-gallon water tank with like a 25-horse pump on it, with about 1.5 to 2-inch hose with a fire hose attachment on it, and you could do about 40 gallons a minute.
Yeah.
You could blow all the crap off this thing in no time. We sold them for people washing out like cattle racks, you know, the cattle trailers, blowing all the manure out. They can clean a cattle trailer in no time with that thing. So
you just need to flood it out.
yeah, and that would flood this thing out in a heartbeat.
That's actually, we're going to be talking to Mitch down in Portland. They're in the process, which you may know, of designing a new building. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring that up to them. It wouldn't do any good to talk to them about it now.
Yeah.
But that's really what you guys need for super efficiency. Get all that stuff off in a heartbeat and then just come through and clean it.
Yeah.
Tom was saying he's been doing this for 20-some years, Scott.
Really?
And Ted's been doing it for about 15 or 16.
So you wash
outside up till we got this building. Oh, this building is 5 years, 6 years. We wash everything outside. Polar hell. Maybe my ex-wife, but I had frostbite. You know?
I don't
Roll this ladder off when you're done. Your nice clean side's not nice and clean so much anymore.
What's that?
So your nice clean side's not so nice and clean anymore.
How long does it take from start to finish? You got to use
Is that 14 or 15 hours usually one guy, or do you sometimes have 2 guys on it? One?
Wow.
Yeah, and you know what I mean?
They're the one that took 16 hours to clean. One man. Versus just over an hour with our system. Tremendous amount of savings. Not only on labor, but equipment wear and tear, cleaning pollution. You can still see how it's got discoloration. This is dry. See how the film on the tires. with our two-step system, you don't get that film in dirt. You actually get, this is the one-step system. Two-step will actually even take the fertilizers and pesticides off the tires.